Hello everyone, this is Tata Subramanian, and today I'm going to talk about a movie called as Lost in Translation. So this movie got released in the year 2003 and directed by Sofia Coppola, and she also got an award for the best original screenplay for this movie, that the Oscar award. And this movie mainly stars Bill Murray and Scarlett Johansson in this movie. Now, why this movie? This definitely you must be thinking about it. So, before I tell you why I like this movie and why you should watch this, I would like to ask you a question. The question is, have you ever felt a connection with someone who's actually not part of your life? And you know that you are never going to see that person again in your life. So, it can be over a day, it can be over a week, or it can be anything. Just think about it if you have ever felt that kind of moment or that kind of connection. So basically why I asked you this question is this movie deals with that subject. It deals with two strangers having a bond and they never knew each other and they are never going to be a part of each other's lives. At least that's what my interpretation of the movie is. So again, one other disclaimer I would like to say that this movie is not like a typical Indian movie where you might say that the two strangers meet, the hero chases the heroine or vice versa, and eventually they are happily married together. No, this is not that kind of movie. So now coming back to the movie again, there are some interesting trivias which I would like to share. One of the first trivia is that Sofia Coppola had written this movie specifically for the lead character Bill Murray. And if that was her claim, that if Bill Murray wouldn't have signed up for this, then she would have never conducted this film. So that is pretty interesting. And the second fact is Bill Murray is not a management type of person who likes to sign on documents that okay, I'm officially signing up for this movie. He's rather of a person like I would let's say I have said that yes, I would come to this movie, and yes, eventually this I would act on this movie. He was more of a man of his word person. But Sofia Coppola was not convinced, and it was not until 1 week before he came to Tokyo for the shooting, she was assured that he would act on this movie. So that I found this to be very, very interesting. And another interesting fact is that this movie was shot in Japan, or if I would say specifically in Tokyo. And there were many places which are restricted for shooting in Tokyo, but the team had also found a way to shoot those scenes, and they had shot many of the scenes secretly without the authorities of the Japanese knowing them. And there was a time also when especially when they were shooting in places like subways and all, the police had even complained and they threatened them to throw them in jail if they will shoot there again. So that was another interesting fact which I thought I would like to share with you. Now apart from this, coming to the crux of what I liked about this movie and why you should watch this movie. As I've said earlier, this movie actually talks about two protagonists who come up with their own baggage of problems, yet in an unknown place they find a connection in each other. And they more happily share their problems with each other rather than with their own loved ones. And this is how the entire movie traverses through. So you will eventually find how this movie grows on you as the movie progresses. And you will also try to empathize with two of the lead characters, that how they were dealing with a new place. Just think about it. You are going in a new place with your own problems, and the culture of the place is very different, and then you find someone with whom you share a connection, you share something very, very special. So this is the essence that the movie tries to convey, which I found it to be very beautiful. Now to summarize why you should watch this, definitely if you are looking for an action packed movie, this is not one of those movies. Definitely if you are looking for a happy ending, this might not be a very great movie for you. The ending, however, I would not reveal here, but ending is very special and there are many multiple versions of this ending which people have speculated. So definitely watch out for the ending. And if you're looking for a movie which is slow, which you can relish as the movie progresses, then definitely this movie is a must watch. And in and all, if you want to try a different genre of movie, then this movie is definitely it for you. So that's it from my side. I hope you will watch this movie. If you like this video, just give me feedback, like this video and share with others if you find it useful. And if you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment box. I will surely look at them and improve my quality. So this is Tata Subramanian signing off. Have a great day. Thank you.